Hello, today we're going to learn about a few health lessons from bears. Yes, you heard that correctly, from bears. Bears can teach us about health. Now we all know that bears hibernate during the winter. So that means they sleep for anywhere from 3 to 6 months depending upon the temperature and the food availability there. So what are they eating during those 3 to 6 months? They're eating their own body fat. And not only themselves, some of them even give birth. Some of the female bears give birth during this period. And they may give birth to a litter of bears, which is anywhere from 3 to 4 little cubs. So not only they're feeding themselves, but also the little ones. So how do they prepare for this? During the 2 months prior to hibernation, they eat a lot. They enter a state of hyperphagia, eating a lot. So they may consume anywhere up to 20,000 calories in a day during this time. And this consists of carbohydrates mainly. We all know from Winnie the Pooh, remember Winnie the Pooh, the cartoon character, bears love honey. So they're eating honey, they're eating berries, they're foraging for tubers, roots, that's all carbs. And in addition, salmon swim upstream to spawn, and that's when the bears catch them and eat them. So they eat anywhere up to 40 fish a day. And what are salmon very rich in? Of course, it's omega-3 fatty acids. So the bears are going to get pregnant and they're going to give birth. So nature knows, they know really. They have probably limited intelligence, but nature knows that omega-3 is very good for pregnancy and for the newborn. And when they wake up from their hibernation, they are slim and trim. They've lost all of that body fat which they had put on. Why did they put on that fat? Because they ate a lot of carbs. What do carbs do? They raise the insulin level. What does insulin do? It is an obesogenic hormone. It causes obesity. So what do we learn from this? 1. Carbs lead to rise in insulin, which leads to rise in fat deposition. 2. This fat can be utilized or burnt or gotten rid of through fasting. And that fasting is not going to be harmful. It is prevalent in nature. It's a normal thing. And 3. Omega-3 is good for pregnancy and the newborn, and of course every area in life, but of course very much so for the newborn baby, for the brain development. And if you know of any other lessons that we can take from the bears, do please comment below. Thank you for watching.